Terra Classic getting listed on Coinbase. Yes, on Coinbase is already concluded. Yes, Terra Classic getting listed on Coinbase is finally done and concluded because Coinbase have already said, look, they are ready to list Terra Classic. They are ready to list other small cap coins. They are ready to list many coins before the end of this year. So not just Terra Classic. So I believe that yes, so many coins will be getting listed by Coinbase because they are ready to list more coins. They are about to list more coins. So Terra Classic have also, for me, I think yes, because definitely they are meeting up with what they want. They are meeting up with the criteria that you need, because already before they have been once listed on Coinbase. So for me right now, the market cap, at least they have a market cap of over $500 million, and Terra Classic is also ranked among the top 70 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Coinbase have listed so many coins that are even ranked as among the top 500, top 1000. So what about the one that is ranked among the top 70? Definitely they are qualified because they have huge market cap. That is why they are among the top 70, and also they have great community. And with all the history of what happened to Terra Classic, they are still maintaining the top 70, or let's just say the top 100 coins. So I mean, who doesn't want to list such coin? Okay, because I believe why Coinbase remove it, because they thought it's going to be over. This coin will just vanish and will just go away. So for me, I believe they proved them wrong. Yes, Terra Classic proved Coinbase wrong, and despite the downfall of a man is not the end of everything. That is what Coinbase just did, and we are surprised to see Coinbase. Coinbase removing Terra Classic. So, and for Terra Classic, they believe that the fall of a man is not the end, and that's what they proved to Coinbase. And right now, they are now among the top coins, and I'm happy. So, Coinbase listing this coin as a possibility because they've proved that, look, we are still there and we'll keep getting more stronger. We'll keep bouncing back, even though the price of Terra Classic might not reach the previous price, but people can still make good profit using Terra Classic LLC. So I believe they are going to see more cash flow once Coinbase lists Terra Classic. More cash flow will be coming in, more burning will be flowing. They'll be burning more coins very soon. So it's a good thing to see that this coin, Terra Classic, have already met up with so many crypto exchange criteria. They have already made up. All they need now is for these exchanges to just list. Though many of them have already listed Terra Classic, but we need more. We need more exchanges, especially the new ones, to actually partner with LUNC. Well, once again, thank you for listening. Thank you for stopping by the video. Drop your comment in the comment section below. Thank you.